Hello and welcome. I'm Claire Jones and I am going to be going through this short session today with you looking at section 23 in the new FRS 102, which looks at revenue. And what we will be looking at is applying the new 5-step model. The FRS 102 periodic review amendments are effective for periods commencing on or after 1st of January 2026. And there's quite some significant changes within section 23 in regard to it introduces a 5-step model, which is supposed to improve transparency and consistency with regard to these revenue generating contracts. Here is an overview of the core approach for the 5 steps. And what the objective is for entities to be recognising revenue that depicts the transfer of these promised goods or services to a customer in an amount that reflects the consideration to which they are expected to be entitled for in exchange for those goods or services. So let's just remind ourselves of the approach here. Step 1 will be identifying the contract, ensuring that there are enforceable rights and obligations. Step 2, how many promises have we agreed to deliver to the customer that has been outlined in the contract, and we refer to those as performance obligations. Step 3, what is the transaction price? What is the entity expected to be entitled to receive? Step 4, we then allocate the transaction price we've determined in step 3 to the performance obligations we've identified in step 2. And we'll do that on the basis of standalone selling prices. And then finally, step 5, when do we recognise revenue? Is it at a point in time when control passes to the customer, or is it over time when we see that control passing over time? So let's have a look at these steps in a bit more detail to give us that detailed understanding.